Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your assistant teacher and today we are going to continue our topic chapter 16, our history. In last class we have studied about ancient history, medieval history, and today we are going to know about modern period. After the fall of Mughal Empire, the British began their rule over India. The French, the Portuguese, and the Dutch trading companies which had come to India for trade were all defeated by the British East India Company. The British East India Company defeated the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajud-Dowla, and became the ruler of Bengal. Although the British had come to India as traders, they gradually controlled the administration of the country and soon brought the whole India under their control. After the fall of Mughal Empire, when Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal emperor, was deposed in 1857 by the British. After the fall of Mughal Empire, the British began their rule over India. British came to India for the trade only, but slowly they control over whole country and British East India Company defeated the Nawab of Bengal, whose name is Sirajud-Dowla, and become the ruler of Bengal. Although the British had come India for trade, but slowly they control administration and the country and soon brought the whole India under their control. They built roads, railway lines and ports. They ruined the handicraft industry, trade and economy. Many people lost their jobs and peasants were also exploited through various policies. Thus, Indians were unhappy under the foreign rule. In policies, thus Indians were unhappy under the foreign rules. In 1857, Indians revolt against the British. This revolt was crushed by the British forces and India came under the direct rule of the Queen of England. British built roads, railway lines and ports in India. Many people lost their jobs that time when British ruled here. That's why people of India unhappy with the British rule. In 1857, Indians revolt against the British. This revolt was crushed by the British forces and then India came under the direct rule of Queen of England. Many educated Indians formed political organizations such as the Indian National Congress, Muslim League and Azad Hind Fauj to free India from the British rule. Many educated Indian forms political organizations like Indian National Congress, Muslim League and Azad Hind Fauj. They work for to free India from British rule. Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were the most popular leaders of the freedom movement of India. Many freedom fighters who take part in freedom movement of India are Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naroji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and they were most popular leaders of the freedom movement. Mahatma Gandhi used the peaceful method of satyagraha based on the principle of truth and non-violence to oppose British rule. He organized a number of movements like the Dandi March, the Civil Disobedience Movement, and the Quit India Movement to force the British to leave India. After much struggle and loss of lives, India finally became an independent country. India attained freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. We celebrate this day as the Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi used peaceful method to based on the principle of truth, non-violence to oppose the British rule. He organized number of movements like Dandi March, Quit India movement and disobedience. This type of movements they use to force the British to leave India. After much struggle and many people sacrifices for our country, India finally became an independent country. India get freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947 and we celebrate this day as Independence Day. Let us see main points of this chapter. The Indus Valley civilization developed in the Indus Valley region. Around 1500 BCE, the Aryans came to the India from Central Asia. Chandragupta Maurya became the ruler of Magad in 322 BCE with the help of his advisor Kautilya. Babur laid the foundation of Mughal rule in India. Akbar ascended the throne of Mughal Empire in 1556 CE. Akbar respected all the religions equally. His religion, Deen-e-Ilahi, tried to integrate the best feature of all religions in itself. After Aurangzeb's death, a series of weak rulers ascended the throne. Indians were unhappy under the British rule. Many political organizations were formed for India's freedom struggle. India attained freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.